One small bite. Take it.
Oh my god!
Runner died.
No voy.
¿Esos dientes de porcelana? ¡Ay!
Soy piraña. Están en el...
У меня даже руки трясутся. Вы что делаете, собаки?
That's too big. Too big of a bite. Small bite. Hey. Small bite. Small bite.
Have a piece. Have a... Meow. It's the second I get a... Oh.
I want you to know that I'm never leaving, but I miss the snow till death will be freezing.
It's just you. Tem acelerador, freio e embreagem. Toma.
Oh my god! No! Oh my god! No!
Oh, you found your moo!
Come on, cows! Good morning, cows! Whoa, 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 when there is, I'm telling you, whoa. Good morning, Vietnam!
Calm down, there it is. God damn it, Chug.
This right here is why we don't crawl in that.
Oh.
Give him a minute. I really wanted to show you something.
This is what you do when you have an evil kitten and you want to get rid of him. You put him on a shiny surface and you...
Don't you trip it over. No! Fucking shit!
Fuera esto.
The water did too.
Hey, Ellie.
Was it?
Oye, pero Wally.
It's you! What's the matter, Bella? Ted, it's you. Teddy, it's just you.
Come here.
Look at my son. Pride is not the word I'm looking for.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Root beer, no, root beer.
This is how you train your cat to not eat your food.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche.
This area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining herds.
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
You're adopted.
I need to tell you that you are adopted.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
I think I offended her.
You're adopted.
You're adopted. I know, I'm really sorry.
You are adopted. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
Leo, you're adopted.
You're adopted. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're, well, adopted.
You're adopted.
You're adopted. I'm sorry.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
No.
一定要学会如何隐藏自己，不动如实，锁定目标，蓄势待发，迅捷如风。
Put it in the trash.
Oh, good boy, Bear.
Like he's just always in his own world. He really quiet for real unless he know you. He's funny as hell though, but
小店，小店，
就让他在吃吧。这啥玩意儿
？Oh no.
Nice, yeah.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
He's alright, mate. That's alright. No worries. Cheers, buddy. He's alright. He won't come out. Cheers, mate. Nice one. Thank you. Dexter, come here. Don't run, mate. Don't run in. Come and get that. Stop running. Stop running.
Hey! Now! You goddamn little fucking shit!